Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all have completed all the subject work given by the different subject teachers. Okay. Now it's time to enjoy with the drawing and craft. Okay. This is your drawing and craft kit you have received from the school. We will take out the graph book from this, and this is your graph book. This is your graph book. Okay. And we are going to start a topic that is fish. We will make this fish with the help of origami. Origami is a Japanese art in which we are making the different things with the help of a square sheet of paper. Okay, so we are going to begin it. So this is a square sheet of paper. What we have to do, we have to fold it diagonally. Clear? Join this corner and join this corner. After that you have to press it. Clear, children? So when you are folding this diagonally, you will get a mark here. This mark, what we have to do, we have to take this corner, take the right corner and bring it till this diagonal line or the center line. Press it. Now, same thing we have to repeat from this side, so I am holding it here. So you can see, children, so you will get this type of a structure. What is this? This is parallelogram. Okay. So now what we have to do, we have to take this corner just opposite of this one and then bring it like this. Same process we have to repeat. Fold it till the diagonal or the center line. After that, same thing from this corner also. Fold it till the center line. So what is this? This is another shape that is called kite. Now we have to make it, fold it from here center diagonally and then press it. So this is a triangular shape. Origami is basically made based on paper folding in a geometrical way. Okay. So you have received this triangular shape. Now what we have to do, we have to take more than, this is one arm of the triangle. This one arm of the triangle we have to fold more than half. Okay. This is the half portion, we will take more than half and we have to fold it straight. You can see this. There are two ways. Children are making wrong, they are doing like this. No, we have to fold it in a straight way. Clear? After doing this, we have to turn it back and then you can see that here is a one loop. So you have to fold this one first fold, second fold, and then the third fold we have to make it from this way, and that also straight. Clear, children? It should be straight. And then put this paper back inside this pocket. There is a pocket here. When you will do it, pocket will be here. So you put it inside the pocket and then fold it. So after folding it, it will look like this. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to make a tail. So for that tail also we can fold it like this to make a mark here. Okay. And from this mark, what we have to do, we will open from this way and then with the help open like this, and then with the help of thumb and this, we will press it and fold it. So, see what I have done, it will look like this. This is the paper, it is like this. I made a mark here, and after making the mark, what we have to do, we have to fold it from here and press it like this. So now it is your original shape of the fish. Now we have to make the eyes of the fish. There are so many googly's eyes are given in your kit, craft kit. You can use this eyes also, or you can draw it by this sketch pen. It's up to you which one is to you. So we will put this googly eyes here. And it will look like this. So this is your origami fish with the help of a square sheet. This is your fish. Enjoy this fish. It is ready to swim and you just love it. Do it.